Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we've got an unboxing of an iPad Pro 2nd gen 10.9 inch. It's a 2017 version. So I actually bought two of them. The other one I opened last night, as I bought two. So I did actually only want one, but I ended up winning two eBay bids. So this one here that I've already opened was £42. And the reason for that is that if you have a look here, the backlight has some issues near the bottom. Yeah, so that's £42, rose gold, 64GB. I just wanted a bit of a bigger iPad, not necessarily a better one. So this is stuck at iOS 17, but for what I use an iPad for, it's fine. I just wanted a bigger one. So this one is exactly the same, but I paid £81 for it. And it's like, you know, got nothing wrong with it. I only wanted one, but I ended up winning two. And obviously I know people hate on eBay when you win the bid, then don't pay for it. And I've had people do that to me. I know it's horrible. So I bought it anyway. And I'm going to keep this one for myself, as that really does not bother me at all. And then I'm going to sell this one. So, yeah. I sold my old iPad, which was a 2018 6th gen one. This one's better off being the one that's sold anyway, as it comes with its box. Which, not that it makes it worth more, because a lot of people say that your old Apple products are worth more with the box. No, I've sold phones with and without boxes. And you seem to get the same amount of money for it. But the ones that come with the boxes, people are more interested in. Because a lot of people, if they're buying a second-hand phone for themselves, most people, I'd say, aren't bothered if it comes with a box or not. But when people are, like, say, when I sell phones around Christmas, the ones with the boxes sell much better, as if you're buying one for someone, you want the box for it. So that's just the way it seems to go. So obviously, if you've watched my videos before, you may know that I resell phones. That probably made it clear. But yeah, so I'm thinking around the Christmas time this year, I might try and buy a bunch of boxes, so that the phones that don't come with it. So this is proper sticking out. It's 10.5 inch actually, not 10.9. There's obviously more in this box than there's supposed to be, as it is really sticking out. So let's open it. Oh, right, it comes with a case. Oh, and then by the looks of it, it comes with the original plastic. So it's got a little camo case for it. Oh, the strap's not around it anyway. Oh, and this one's got a screen protector on it as well. Let's see if it's got any charge in it. It does. Yeah. So this one is a silver one, which would look nicer for myself, but oh well. Oh, and it is already set up. Yes, 64GB. Oh, that's why they haven't put the plug in properly. That's another reason why the box took up so much room. So yeah, iPad's already set up. That saves the job. So it comes with a core lightning cable. I won't resell it with that. So yeah, if I take this out, got some Apple stickers, and welcome to iPad Pro. So these ones do actually support the Apple Pencil, which is quite nice. It looks like there should be more in there, but there isn't. It's just really thick. So I wouldn't say I actually like this case, but I might keep it for myself, as mine doesn't have one. Yeah, it's definitely not my sort of iPad case. But yeah, they didn't actually show in the photos that it was coming with one, so that's a nice addition. But yeah, look, it's come with the original like packaging, so I could always sort of package it back up for the next person. But yeah, it's got screen protector on. Looks like it's been taken pretty good care of. But yeah, it's just a short little unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back for the next one.